right, guys, it's Thanksgiving at Papi'S, our first Thanksgiving ever. Check it out. Look behind me, guys.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Here we go. It's our first Thanksgiving, guys. We are pumping it out here. Look at these plates full of food over here, guys. Hello. I got permission. I got permission from everybody before I broke loose. Say hello. From Florida. Say hello from Florida. From the Philippines to Florida. Florida from Florida, right? Here's the VIP section. Check it out.
They make no money on it.
They got served first, obviously, because their plates are almost empty. There we go. We got more and more people in here than we can handle. Nah, I'm just kidding. We got everything going on. This is 11 o'clock seating. I think there's 43 people this first seating. Drake, what do you have to say about it?
I just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, and hopefully I get my front tooth back for Christmas.
Oh, that's your wish.
That's my wish.
All right. All right, guys. I got to make sure people are getting fed. What do you think, guys? Everything okay so far?
Yes, very good.
All right.
Thanksgiving, Eric. We're happy to be here at the Drake Hotel. The flavor and the selection of the food and the layout is just fantastic. And it's just like being at home. It couldn't be any better.
All right, man. I appreciate it. Thanks for coming by and spending your Thanksgiving with us.
We're just very happy to be here.
Well, thank you,
And
sir.
we look forward to next year.
Yeah, next year will be even better.
Yes.
Everything going good over here, guys?
I've hit the wall, but I'm going to power.
You've hit a wall? How about you? You hit the wall too? He's almost done. I can't believe he's almost ate all this. That's good though, because I'm going to be able to save on the takeout box with you. I don't have to supply a takeout box for you.
Told Mercy that stuffing is just like Mama made.
Yeah?
It's perfect.
Well. Oh, pie? Are you done eating? Eat the pie with the meal, right?
Yeah, with the pie.
Mix it up. All right, we'll bring it out.
Thank you so much, Eric and Mercy, for everything. This is, I couldn't imagine this when I moved here a couple weeks ago.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. We're so glad to have you, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Guys, I can't say enough. Thank you for all the people that come by and support us here at Papi'S Bar and Chill in the Drake Hotel. The word's getting out, guys. This is the place to go eat and stay in Angeles City. So Duck Diggler made an appearance on Thanksgiving. Yeah, we don't get no turkey, we get duck. No turkey on Turkey Day, it's Duck Day. There we go.
Enjoy your last day, because tomorrow's duck dinner.
Yeah, you're getting cooked tomorrow, Duck.
I'm going to go hunting for duck soon. How about now?
Yeah, right? Second seating coming up. Place emptied out. We're still running around like crazy a little bit. We got a few early guests showing up here. Hey, what's going on?
Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Yeah, we got a couple people showing up early, a couple people leaving late, and that's about it. Now we're gonna repack this place for the 1 o'clock coming up. All right, the 1 o'clock crowd is in. Check it out, everybody. 1 o'clock in the house. We got a large group right here, folks. We got people packed at the bar. We'll do a little spin around here. Let everybody. How's the food, everybody? Everything good? Oh, you're good. How's the food over here? All good? We got people around the bar today. Everybody's enjoying Thanksgiving dinner. How's dinner today? Hey, Glidell, aren't you supposed to be working? What are you doing here eating? Oh my goodness.
Break time's over.
Yeah, break time's over. Come on.
It's over. I'll just finish that.
Come on, yeah. You got to share.
Yeah, sure, right? That's a wrap. Let's eat, as they say.
Let's eat. All right, guys, the 3 o'clock settings here. These guys just sat down. Check it out.
Nice.
Whoa, he said we just had everything all lined up.
Good living right here. Good living.
Hey, you got me a bike plate. Hold on, let me grab it. This gentleman right here brought me a motorcycle tag. I like the motorcycle tags. Veterans motorcycle plate from Florida. Check that out.
That's right. It looks like a French flag. That's what I never liked about it. But yeah.
Hey, it's red, white, and blue.
Same
There
as
you go.
France.
Yep, same as friends. Well, you guys enjoy your dinner today. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for putting this together for us. I
You
very
got
much
it.
Appreciate it.
Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah. Yeah, we got another crowd. 3 o'clock, guys. 3 o'clock, pumping them through here at Papi'S. Got a good showing. You guys mind giving us a little review? Outstanding. All right. And you got to have the San Mig light too. Thank you, guys. Yeah. So these guys are enjoying their Thanksgiving dinner as well. Check it out. I am hungry just watching this. I haven't had time to eat.
Oh, well, you'll have to do that for sure. This is delicious, the best Thanksgiving dinner at Angeles City.
Yes.
We're having a really great time. We dressed, she got me to dress up.
Oh, you're all dressed up today. I see that.
This is as good as I can do.
That's it. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Thanks for sharing your day with us.
Oh, thank you.
All right, the 5 o'clock seating has begun. We are full again over here at Papi'S. Check out all the tables, just full of food. Everybody is eating, loving it. We got the bar kind of full right now. 5 o'clock bar is really full. Check it out. Margaritas going around. And then we got these guys over here. Check them out. Yummy, yummy. Fill my tummy. How we doing, girls? Everything okay? Great job, ladies. Great job. So how's it going over here, guys?
Oh man,
You're almost done.
I'm almost done.
You got a couple bites left.
I don't even think I inhaled it. I don't think I tasted anything. I need another one.
Right. All right, guys, it's the last serving tonight, 7 p.m. Turnout as the rest. Just check it out. Mark, what do you think about all this?
Guys, if anybody in Angeles City has put out Thanksgiving dinner like we did today, I would be shocked. I know a lot of you guys out there say, had a great meal here or had a great meal there. Guys, you don't know what you missed here at Papi'S Bar and Chill at Drake Hotel. So this video is evidence of what you guys missed out on.
Happy people eating today. Everywhere. You can see them. 5 settings today. Over 200 people served. Almost sounds like a McDonald's. 1 billion served. Over 1 billion hamburgers served. For our first Thanksgiving, guys, 200 people. Success in my book. I think it's a success. I didn't hear any complaints. Maybe they didn't want to talk about it if they did, but I didn't hear anything but people getting their bellies full and saying how good everything was. So
Now Eric, speaking of McDonald's, saying X amount of people served, I wonder who can boast the most. McDonald's, 1 billion served, or Walking Street, 1 billion served?
yeah, I think Walking Street might have
Walking
them
Street
beat.
might win.
They might have them beat. Give you a look-see. Everybody enjoying their food. How is it, everybody? Everything good? All good? You still have a lot of food to eat. You got some work to do. You got some work to do over here. Hello, everyone. We are almost. Well, hello. Happy Thanksgiving to you. You and Mama are dressed in the same kind of dresses tonight. You look like a couple of leopards. Yeah, right? You got your no stripes. You got spots. You like?
Spots now.
Yeah, you do.
We used to be tigers.
You used to be tigers, and now you're leopards. Well, you can always change your cat suits. She's the cougar. Oh, is that right? All right, so here's how it goes. Here's how it happened, guys. So all day long, we've been making sure everybody got their bellies full here at Papi'S. And now it's our turn to sit down and eat. Finally. What do you got there? Some bread?
Yeah, and I put iron.
What do you got there? A piece of bread? You made eyeballs in it? Let me see. You made a face. Well, that's pretty cool. You made a face out of that. So now it's our turn to eat, guys. We are getting served now, finally, after waiting, making sure we had enough food for everybody. We can finally eat. And I don't think we're even missing anything. I think we got everything. I don't think we're out of one item. All right, the ladies got their turkey and their fixings here.
We're gonna go there or what?
No.
No.
You can
Look at that. Look at
Mark and I will. Look at that. Ham, turkey, piping hot, even at 7 o'clock at night.
Excuse me?
The last setting today, we got mashed potatoes, stuffing, green bean casserole, sweet potatoes, turkey, ham, carrots, cranberry relish.
And the pie is not here yet.
Don't even have the pie yet. Deviled eggs, a basket of hot rolls. Take those out, baked by our favorite baker who makes our great hamburger buns and hoagie rolls. These rolls were a hit today. Got some gravy.
Yes.
And, well, everybody likes the stuffing.
The stuffing is delicious.
Stuffing is the thing, guys. The stuffing, without good stuffing, you don't have a good Thanksgiving dinner.
That's right.
Then we're gonna do pie after this. My favorite's pecan pie. Pumpkin pie actually was the big seller today, the biggest mover, but pecan was right behind it. And that's my favorite. I'm gonna be digging into that. Sitting down, taking a load off, and eating this great meal.
What a great day, friends.